Hey, Danyo here. Just like I am into art, my brother is into photography, and last week he happened to take this glorious picture of a snake and then asked me to paint a little hat on it, and of course I couldn't refuse. I already have a couple of references in my second screen, so everything's ready. Let's get into it. Now we have a sketch. As you might have noticed, it wasn't exactly the first thing that came out, because I just couldn't be satisfied. I want this hat to be as perfect as possible. And you can see it in two ways. You either accept perfectionism in your work and know that it's going to take a hell of a lot more time, or you just accept that it's not going to be perfect anyway and just roll with everything that comes at first. Now, I'm usually very perfectionist with my sketches and I get a little more creative with my brushes. So it's time for color. Okay, now we have colors. That means all of the decisions have been made and the fun bit is over. Now for the boring part, the render. And there you have it, a truly distinguished gentleman.